Hi guys, my name is Jocie Beussee. I'm a fashion designer, and today we're going to be flipping some of the items in my closet so that I will wear them more. So I have very few items in my closet that I don't often wear, but there are some that are just sitting there and I need to go through them to make them actually more wearable. So any clothes that I don't really wear anymore, I usually will donate. These are just clothes that I like elements about them, I just don't wear them for one reason or another. So this video is just trying to make the clothes into something that I'll actually wear more using elements of it that I already like. So yeah, let's get started on that. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory, so we're gonna go. We're gonna scoot. We're gonna live. It's fine. Can I have myself, please, sir? Sir? Can I have my shirt? Sir? Sir? You've caught me. I have nowhere to go. Can you let go of my shirt, sir? Sir? Could you release me, sir? Sir? Sir, could you let me go, sir? Could you let me go, sir? Thank you. Okay, so this is the first dress that we are going to be flipping. Hello, Linker. So I've had this for a while. It actually was originally my sister's, and then she didn't want it anymore, so she gave it to me. And I don't really have a problem with it. I like it. It fits me well. It's just I don't have anywhere to wear it. So it's kind of like, what's the point of having it if I can't wear it anywhere? So we're gonna be seeing if I can change this up a little bit. Okay, so this is design number 1. So this is going to be what we're using for the dress. I have a little cute crop top and then just a pair of capri pants that scrunch at the bottom. So we have our dress laid out, made sure that it's nice and flat, and we're going to cut just straight across. So I'm going to give myself a 1/2 inch hem to work with, so that way I can fold all the unwanted. So that way I can fold up all the raw edges and sew. Hello. So, funny story. I'm still new at this, and I have managed to misplace some footage when it comes to this particular outfit. So I'm just gonna kind of tell you what you missed. So basically I just cut the skirt in half because the front was bigger than the back, and then I just laid a pair of pants on it that I really liked the fit of, and then cut out the pants pattern. Then I just sewed up the crotch and then sewed the inseam. And now you're caught up. So then I just sewed the channel for the waist. Inserted the elastic that I had measured around my waist, sewed up the elastic, and then closed off the channel. And then I did the exact same for the legs. I just made channels so that way it can be really scrunchy on the legs. Hemmed up the crop top and we're done. Reveal time. We also have this t-shirt. Honestly, it even still has the tag on it. That's how I just haven't worn it. I bought it because it was like $1. Don't just buy things because they're cheap, because then you won't wear them. So, gotta figure out what I want to do with this. It's just a plain, basic t-shirt with a dinosaur on it. So, gonna see what we can do. This is what we're going to be doing with the t-shirt, hopefully. We have enough material. So we're just gonna change the top a little bit, give it a little bit more of a fun hem, and then change the bottom into a really short skirt that then I can wear with a pair of capris, because I doubt that's actually going to cover my butt, but we'll see. So I laid out the t-shirt and I cut it right at the bottom of this picture because the end of the picture lined up perfectly to hit where I wanted it to, so I decided just to cut through that picture so that way we have like a full picture kind of fun effect. So we have a crop top and a skirt. I then took the crop top and I hemmed the bottom. So what I ended up doing is I pulled the fabric as I did a really big zigzag on top of it, so that way it gives it kind of like a textured hem. Then I put the shirt on, traced where I wanted the shape of the armholes to be, cut it out, and then I just hemmed that up real quick. The bottom was really easy. All I had to do was sew a channel for the elastic. Thread the elastic through. Sew the elastic up, close off the channel, and it's even already hemmed for me. One other outfit down, so easy, let's go. So this is another one. So I think it's cute. I honestly really like the baby doll look of it. It's just, it's way too small and it's really never fit me well. I never know like what to wear it with, just because it is like, it's not a dress, but it's not a shirt. So you can wear like leggings with it, but it's just, I don't know, it's cute, but I don't know. I don't wear it, and I never really have. But I do, however, I like the detailing right here, so I might try to play around with that. And then this is the last idea, so I like the baby doll top, so I'm going to play more of that. I'm going to drop the armhole, and I'm going to add a little bit of a puff sleeve And then for the back, since it's too small, I'm going to open it up and give it kind of the same effect that we have right here, just on the back. So here we start off again by cutting stress into a crop top. Yes, another crop top. I know I have an issue, I have a problem. I can have a whole closet full of crop tops and it's fine, so like, don't at me. I'm then going to turn it to the back and cut up the middle, so that way I have just like an opening. That opening I'm going to cut off an additional 1.5 inches because I wanted to have enough space there to actually see the corset back that we're going to be doing there. I also just went ahead and lowered the armholes just a little bit because they cut a bit too high for me to be very comfortable in it. From there, I took my lovely pattern weights, they're so expensive, and I cut out the puff sleeve that I patterned earlier. After cutting that out, I went ahead and gathered the top and the bottom of the puff sleeve. And went ahead and gathered the top and fit it into the armhole and sewed it in. Then I gathered the bottom and sewed it into the cuffs that I stole from the original sleeves and sewed that all together. This dress, shirt, top, I don't really know what to call it, it came with a belt, so I just took that apart and used that to make my loops that I decided to do 1 inch apart from each other, just looped it how I thought looked good and then made it even all the way down, and then I just tacked that in so that way it would stay. Then I took that 1.5 inch piece that I cut off earlier and sewed it to the back, encapsulating the loops so that way when I folded it out it was all nice and clean. Then I just went ahead and top stitched that, tacked the top so that it would stay where I wanted it to, and then hemmed up the bottom, looped up the corset, and we're done. So let's see how that looks. That's today's video, and I'm glad that I now have outfits that I'm going to hopefully wear more. I think it's always a good idea to go through your closet, find items that you don't like, and make them into things that you will like. If there's enough that you like about it, change it to where you'll actually wear it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you feel like it and want to subscribe, that would be awesome. I post weekly.